India's merchandise trade deficit unexpectedly narrowed in March as a surge in export to the US helped cushion the impact of ongoing Iran war that has disrupted shipping routes and inflated energy costs. The deficit fell to a 9-month low of 20.67 billion, with exports rising to 38.92 billion in March from 36.61 billion in the previous month, and the imports falling to 59.59 billion from 63.71 billion, data from the Trade Ministry showed on Wednesday. Exports to the US rose 17.4% month-on-month to 8.02 billion, supported by a cut in tariff to 10% following a US Supreme Court ruling. This has helped boost shipment of textile and engineering goods to India's largest export market that had imposed tariff of up to 50% on a wide swath of goods. The trade underscored the opposing forces shaping India's export outlook: supply disruption and surging logistical costs stemming from the Iran conflict and a partial revival in US demand. We report News Now.